back with another video here. Today I'm going to be playing some Naval Warfare with 6 of my friends. Say hello, guys.
What's up?
Don't swear, this is family friendly, guys. You guys go in the destroyer.
Until we get shot down by like something, and then we die.
Guys, somebody spawned another battleship.
Wait.
Michael, go to Island C. Guys, we're being bombarded.
Wait. Why are you in there?
They have all of the islands. They just have to take out our harbor. Everybody die and go back to the harbor.
No.
Bro, they have two big Bro, they have 2 extra large battleships at us.
I didn't get them.
Let me drive the submarine then. If you guys are gonna kill yourself.
Where are you guys?
Who's those flying farts? Colin, those are gonna be copyrighted.
Why would you be such a jerk, Colin? Me? What is that doing?
Guys, take out those gunships now.
Alright. Guys, go. Are those okay, guys? We're right under 2 American ships. Get to the guys. Go down.
I have 5 bombers. I'm rushing them with a plane. I'm kamikazing. I'm dying for my cause, man. Fire! I did a bunch of damage.
I know I have my own boat. Duh. And stop killing everyone my robots in.
Take out that gun. Take out those planes. Take out those planes, you idiots. Guys, don't take out the planes. Focus on the ships.
I'm trying to focus on the ships. They're gonna pitch us again. I can't even shoot. I can't shoot while we're underwater. Go up.
That's game. They won.
Dang it.
I don't really care. Oh wait, now I care.
Oh wait, now I care.
Guys, do you want to play Jailbreak? No.
No. Jailbreak. I'm too OP in Jailbreak.
Killed me. I just died.
If you guys didn't see my last video where I get extremely OP in Jailbreak, please go watch that and subscribe. Yeah, no comment on that.
Where are we going now?
Alright, go to the battleship.
Go to the big battleship.
I'm driving the battleship.
I can't get in. I gotta reset my character.
Wait,
Oh my gosh, there's a guy named Fire Booze. Who's drinking alcohol on a ship? Literally, literally, Americans. No, kids can't have booze in school. Russians, go ahead, drink as much alcohol as you want. Somebody get into my torpedo bomber.
Someone get into my destroyer.
This kid's getting in. Meow.
I'm moving.
who's Karma?
Who's Karma?
I'm going to island C.
Stay with me. Oh, are you on the aircraft carrier?
No, I'm in a little ship.
I'm on the battleship.
Colin, are you playing music?
No.
If you don't play any sounds, I will get copyrighted.
I know, Drew's gonna end up paying like $20 billion.
Bruh, it's gonna be like 30,000, not 20 billion.
Oh my god, it's almost dead. Never mind.
Guys, I'm getting island C.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez.
Jeez. This kid.
Wait, remember in class when Mr. I'm not gonna say his name, but Mr. Dislike Abega. Don't say his name, because I will. He will see the video and like get mad. So
It's okay if I say it.
no, Colin.
Wait.
You remember when he tried to do sheesh in class today? He tried to do sheesh and he failed. How can you fail doing that? Sheesh.
Is she ours?
Is anyone on my battleship or no?
Can you guys give me some air support? I'm kind of facing Island B alone.
I was dumb. Like, I don't know why you had.
Oh, Jason, I'm in your battleship. Yay. Michael's the only one.
Ah, oh no! Oh, I was 2 feet from the island. Are you kidding me? I was 2 feet from the island.
Oh, yeah, Roman's on the
Yeah, I'm on the side. Drew, who are you talking
If
about?
Mr. Mateo hate Mr. Vega, Mr. Person, you know, person who hates Mateo. Yeah.
Drew, you said his name. Drew. We're gonna need a lot of anti-aircraft and stuff because they're just bombing everyone. They're about to.
I'm in the big battleship.
I know I'm about to attack Island B. We need all of
There's like 6 planes on Jacob.
Guys, they just sunk the carrier. They're coming for us next. Go. Shoot them down. This thing has no aim. We're gonna kamikaze us. No, he is. We got him. Get him.
They're kamikazeing. Idiot.
Yes, no. Watch out. Dang it. Oh, they missed us. Alright, start firing the big guns.
I'm sending an air-to-ground missile. I just blew up their carrier. I just blew up some of their carrier.
No, we're stuck.
Launch a missile.
They have so much airspace.
I just blew up half of their carrier's health. Guys, I just got rid of half. Bro, they have 2 carriers. What the heck? Hold on, my makeshift pants fell off.
Oh, no, wait, are we going to harbor?
Yeah, stay at harbor. We gotta defend harbor.
Bro, I'm on Island C.
Avery, get in this big battleship. Avery, I'm spawning a plane. Get in it. Avery, I'm spawning a plane. Get in it.
You guys do realize, like, they're about to
Get in it.
destroy the harbor, but they can't destroy the harbor if they don't take Island C.
We're flying to Island C right now, Jacob. We're flying to Island C.
Why can't I fly this?
Press F, Avery. Press F a bunch.
Whoa! I just got killed. They're gonna bomb Island C. They're bombing Island C.
Don't, no, they're not, Jacob. They're not. We're not. Avery, shoot for
They
the.
are bombing Island C. I just got killed.
Jacob, Avery, shoot for the. See the ship, the small ship?
Get in the plane.
We're in the plane. Ready? Once they take control of Island C, I'm gonna bomb it.
Alright, Michael's here. Come on, we already got
I just launched all 3 bombs on Island C. Avery, press F. Avery, press F. Avery, press F. Shoot down that plane. We got 2 of their planes. Me and Avery got 2 of the planes. Me and Avery got 2 planes.
Wait, how do you?
Oh, no, dang it, we got shot down.
There goes Island C. Stay at the harbor.
I'm gonna go to the harbor. I wanna see what you guys are.
Get in your plane. Go.
We lost Island C.
Get ready. Just fire. Send. No, guys, I'm so smart. Hold on, guys, I'm big brain. Just send as many submarines as you can. They won't be able to see them.
No, submarines don't do anything. I've already tried. It's a glitch. Everyone get on anti-aircraft. That's the only thing we can do right now.
Okay, I spawned a submarine if we need it.
Submarines aren't gonna do anything. Alright, let's go.
Everybody stay on anti-aircraft till they start sending planes over.
How do you guys?
They're gonna do that in like 2 seconds.
You get kills and blow up ships, Avery. That's how you get. Guys, we've lost twice. Guys, I'm gonna say in a motivational speech. We've lost twice.
Good job, Dave, the order to launch planes. Go, go, go.
Go! We've lost twice, but we will not lose a third time. Michael, get on anti-aircraft now! That's an
Go,
order.
go, 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 go. They're bombing us.
What do you think we're doing, Jacob?
You're not doing anything.
I'm shooting down the plane! I'm shooting down the plane!
What the heck? I can't get outside.
It's not letting me hit it.
Yeah, me either. I can't hit it. Our bullets are despawning.
Dude,
Wait.
I hit it like they're hacking.
I got it. I destroyed the plane, dude. The plane's gone. One of their planes is gone. They got like 6 more at us.
I can't find anything.
I'm going on anti-aircraft. They're aiming for the anti-aircraft guns.
They're smart. Shoot out those planes now.
We don't like smart people here.
Oh, I got out one of their planes. I got one of their planes, but they bombed our island. They bombed the island. Don't spawn. Why are you guys spawning battleships? Don't spawn battleships. It's a waste. Just get on anti-aircraft.
Yes, I hit it down. I hit it.
Shoot down all live aircraft. I repeat, no birds have been authorized to launch. I repeat, no birds have been authorized to launch. Shoot down all live aircraft. My game froze.
My game froze. It was mine.
Ah,
I just got disconnected.
same. Reconnect. Click reconnect. Click reconnect. Spam reconnect. You know, that seems like a great time to. That seems like a great. Oh, the video, and I'm in a different lobby. That seems like a great place to end it. See you guys next time. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Peace out.